guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be giving you my pantry tour and showing you how I organize my pantry. So I've actually just finished. I wish I did a before shot. I completely didn't even think about it, but I thought now that it's done, I'm going to show you how I've organized things that I've used that will maybe also help you guys as well. So if you want to see that, definitely keep watching. Okay, so I am still cleaning my kitchen, and this is going to be a little bit like vlog style. My kitchen is a mess. I do have things still sort of everywhere. This is my dog Rocky. He's looking very excited. Okay, so this is my pantry. It's a double door corner pantry, and this is what we have. This is the overview. So we'll start here. So I love spice racks like this. I love that they don't take up any bench space. So I just have a random mix of different things. These are from Howard's Storage, the actual spice racks. However, they don't sell this particular one anymore, but they do have very similar ones. Okay, coming in. So today we actually hung this fire blanket up just so it wasn't on the shelves, and I think you're meant to anyway. So starting with up the top here, we have these two baskets. So basically this one has like tablecloths, what are they called, placemats and things like that. This side is just a bunch of random stuff. It's like cookie cutters, like an icing kit, just random things really. This bowl here actually has a sage smudge stick in it. Every now and again I will sage the house, so I keep that. And then just on this side is my cookbooks. So they are the ones that I have. I'm sure it's quite dirty at the top still. I didn't dust that. So starting here, a couple of things up the back, very back, I have an espresso milk container. Then I just have coconut, cocoa powder, and this container here is flaxseed. I am vegetarian and I don't really eat eggs, so I use that instead of eggs in baking. And then just toothpicks. Coming here, so I have these containers also, they're the same here. All of these are from Big W. They are the ones that I liked the most, and then I just added the labels on myself. They do range in prices depending on the size. I wouldn't say they're the cheapest because they are maybe around like $8 to $9 each, I think, from memory. I've had these for a while, but I just thought that they were the most aesthetically pleasing. I really liked them. So here I have tapioca flour for a recipe I'm trying. Up the back I just have spare flour and sugar. So then I just have sugar, self-raising flour, plain flour, gluten-free flour. This is gluten flour, which I use for a recipe. And then just dried yeast, which I use for bread and pizza dough. Here I have some some baking mixes and taco kit. This is my husband's protein, and then just at the back is spare containers. This is like my husband's sort of health shelf, I guess you would call it. His pre-workout, fish oil, apple cider vinegar, and just vitamins. These are our dog's treats as well. Here I just have a couple of like spreads. So I love peanut butter. I will always have peanut butter, and then just a roast meat gravy and some stock powders. Here on the little turntable, this is from Kmart, and so are these shelves. I just have salt and pepper and then spare salt and pepper. And then here we just have a heap of different like condiments. This shelf is like my coffee shelf. So we obviously have the Nespresso machine. Next to it are just the pods that my husband uses. He uses that more than me. I have the instant coffee sachets, and they actually work really well. Here is a bit of a snacky shelf. So these containers are from Kmart. I do have quite a few. This side I have pancake mix, muesli bars, and also up the back I have some meal replacement shakes from Aldi. If you do want my opinion and a review on that, let me know. Then here we have more sort of like junky food snacks. I've been looking for these for so long. I'm so excited to have found them. Then I just have some rice cakes, chocolate biscuits. Nothing exciting. Here is like all our tins. So being vegetarian, I go through quite a few beans. Then I just have pasta, oats, and then I've just chucked our bread there. And again, this container's from Kmart. Again, these containers are from Kmart. I actually picked them up today. This side, I just have like rice, lentils, some peanuts, and these are noodles. This side is like sauces and spices. They're just all sort of, yeah, separated there. Here's a bit of a random shelf. So I just have spare milk. So I love the So Good almond milk. Then I just have a biscuit jar and some fruit mince pies. Love that. Again, down the bottom here, bit of a random shelf. So I just have a drink bottle, white vinegar, hand sanitizers, some candles, Aerogard, and a mosquito candle. This shelf, so onions, garlic, and in here is usually potatoes that I'll put in there, but I don't have any this week. This is like an oil shelf. So again, this is from Kmart. Again, they are both from Kmart too. So I just keep all my oils in here. I like to put oils in plastic containers because they do leak a little bit, then it goes on your shelves and it's sort of hard to get off. So that's why I usually will keep them in a container. Down the very bottom here, so this is our barbecue stuff. We just have some plastic cups up the back as well. So yeah, all things for like our Weber barbecue. So like fire lighters, a barbecue cleaner, and then some trays. And then we have the, what are they called? Like a barbecue lighter. And down the very bottom, so I usually keep my Dyson vacuum here. So spare head, and then we just have the, what are they called? Heat beads, and also timber for our barbecue. And then that is empty. Also, I have my apron hanging here. So I just have a Williams Sonoma brand apron, which is really like, there's so much fluff on this. I definitely need to re-wash it. But if you are looking for an apron, I really do love that one. And again, so that is just an overview for you.